Hi, it's Sharon from Vivid Days. This week's collection is going to be Glacier. Glacier. Blue Ocean, Winter Ice, whichever word comes to mind. Similar to my original one, but the other one was more like earth. This one reminds me more of ice caps and all that kind of goodness that is associated with oceans. This is going to be a collection of 3, which is a bauble, keyring and dominoes. Come back on the next 2 videos to see the keyring and dominoes. On this video, we focus on the bauble, which I really enjoy the end result, but just didn't work for me to start with. And then I like the end result. But the other 2 that I've done that I can see and you can't see, I'm really liking. Less is more. But you know me, I like to show you all what's and all as I learn new processes and share that with you. So hopefully I invoke some creativity with you. And if that's the case, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.